Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'd like to introduce you to the most beautiful woodworking shop in the world. That's right, this wood shop is absolutely beautiful, and it's because it's outside. And it's outside out of necessity, because right now I don't have a wood shop indoors, but I've got this coffee table that's been sitting out in front of the trailer doing nothing, and I've got these tools that have been sitting in my storage that need to get working, making massage tools. And so I just created this by putting the table on some pallets, enough to get it up to the right height for me, and putting the whole menagerie of it in front of this beautiful river. You get to listen to my wind chime. Got a little man-made lake down there. But just listen to that. And so, you know, one of the things that's so bad for our health is constantly being indoors. And if we can figure out ways to get outside to do our work, I'm telling you, I'm gonna figure out all of the things that we need. One woman today, after I made the video for donations, sending donations, one woman said, and I've heard this before, some similar things, oh, you're gonna try and live off donations now. You don't know me very well, do you? I have to stay busy, and I have to keep making my products because people feed me. People feed me with the love and the comments of how I have helped them when no other doctors or physical therapists or massage therapists or whoever, chiropractors, none of them could help them. But me, I just look at the truth for what it is and I tell it to you. I just relay it because that's my job. And I have to keep making the tools. Who the hell else is gonna make wood rollers and soother tools and all of this? It takes dedication. It's a lot of work. It's still hard to make ends meet no matter what, even though I'm living in a $200 a month trailer. Okay? It takes money to have a business. Even a little business like mine. You would not even believe the expenses that I have to keep that website running. They're constantly coming up. And so, yes, I have to keep working no matter what. And I now have the most beautiful wood shop in the world. And that may be an exaggeration, but I'll tell you what, it's pretty damn nice out here. And it's time to make some soother tools. So buy them, and I hope that you are having a good day.